Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I will dive into the videos how you can rank your website with keyword research by an AI tool. Okay, so today I will show you one by one step. Here you can see in my screen in the video I already opened a website named keywordsinsight.ai. So after that you can click on the sign up, and this AI link I will dive into the video description and also in comment box, then you can check it up. Okay, so let me show you how you can generate any kind of keywords from this website. So first of all you need to click on sign up, then here you can see the option for create with Google and also create an account. I will create an account because I need to log in another time again. So I will create with my name, and here is the last name. Okay, here is the email option. Click on the password and again create the password and click on I agree to the terms and condition, create an account. Okay, I'm generating a strong password. Okay, now create an account please. Okay, after creating the account, then you can see here is the option for verify your email address. Then you need to go to your email. Okay, here is the option for verify email address option. You need to copy this code just from here, and or you can click on the verify account option also. Okay, here is the option for our recommendation workflow. So after entering this website you can see this kind of information: find keywords ideas, cluster keywords, create content briefs, write content, everything you can use from here. So I am opening with this find keyword ideas because I want to generate the keyword for my website that will be well performing in Google. So first of all you need to select one, then start workflow. Click on start workflow. Here you can see the uncategorized and also in the option for create new folder. So I'll click in the uncategorized because I want to generate the demo keywords for right now, because I want to show you. But if you want to generate yourself, then you can create a folder here, then you can generate any kind of information here. Okay, then select the keyword source where you want to generate the keywords. So I will use Google search, or you can use Google search console also. Okay, Google search means they will show you the keywords from the Google search, and also if you want to use Google search console, then they will need to be redirect your Google search console. So you can use your Google search. Okay, and after that your seed keywords. Your seed keyword means your website or your business main keyword. So my main keyword is means t-shirt for adult. This is my main keyword, and I want to rank this keyword in United States. Suppose United States. Then you can see here is the United States, and now I want to select the language English. Then I can search here. Okay, then you can see they will generate lots of keywords for you, and also they will generate the keywords result also. Okay, you need to wait here, and after that you can see all the information from here. Okay, here you can see here is the SERP preview, and if you scroll down here is the Google result. It is live result from the Google, and they are showing the result from us because I searched with men's t-shirt for adult. Okay, and you can see there is the SERP result. If you want to disable the SERP result, then you can disable, and then you can see they will just only show you the URL. And if you want to show live SERP, then you can see the live SERP like Google. When you will search with Google, then you can see this kind of result. Okay, here is the option for, you can see all the keywords they generated, and if you click on all keywords option, then you can see all the keywords are visible to here. I am in the first page, and here is the two option. Here is the second page. Okay, so these keywords are from in the Google search because my seed keyword was men's t-shirt for adult. Okay, here you can see the CPC, the competition, trend, and seed keyword, everything is there. And if you want to generate any kind of information, then you need to start with a paid plan. Okay, here is the Google autocomplete option, and where the keywords from. Okay, here is the Quora option. They also generate some keywords from the Quora and also asked from. Okay, we'll see that Google has an option for people also asked about. Okay, so this kind of keywords I already generated, and if you want to view all keywords, and then you can see here is the auto save option or original option. If you want to save this, then click on this and list the name. Suppose I list the name demo, and you can see the save option. Okay, the demo keywords is already saved. Here you can see, then you can download it from any time from the option here. Okay, so I think this is the helpful video for you because you want to generate this kind of keywords with manually, and after that you can add it from your website, and after that you can do the SEO, manual SEO and others. Or if you don't want to do the manual SEO, then you can see here is a website called Boostify. You can search it from Google, and after that search it from here boostify.com. Okay, this website is very professional in right now, and you can check it from the Google, and after that you can use it for your own. If you search it with the name of Boostify, let me again search it here, Boostify. Here is the option. This AI tool will help you to do the AI SEO. You don't need to do the manual SEO. Okay, if you start with just for €1 from here, you can get the trial from it, and your website will be ranked without doing any kind of manual SEO. So if you feel this video is good for you, then hit the subscribe button also. Thank you.